Aya atie for sabre. Ma fom na bigina no he. Abro na madua no. Me de koma me nkokọ. Na ne me nyame asem bia mpese me ne mote. Na aya asem bai. Asem mpese me ne mote ne say. How to protect your happiness. Kwa ben na abefa so a ubetimi abo wanidie ho ban. Enu asem na ende nyame asem mpese me ne wote. Na they call Luke 10:19. Bible can say bi wo ho. Or say, I have given unto thee power and authority to trample down upon scorpions and the snakes, and nothing shall by any means hurt you. When you are saying the Bible, Kasafa na Yesu kan wa ha. Asiafo na odi saa asem we ma omo. O se na me de tumi ni ahoden ama mo. Se bo panteti a wo woni anyanya ntin so. Be se enne be kire wade bi. Se uni tamfo bia wa abonten o. The only enemy you have is your mind. Uni tamfo bia wa abonten na wo tamfo a wo nyina ene wade. That is the only enemy you have. Your mind is the only enemy you have. Yes, I'm not going to ask you. Yes, you could just say that. Did you tell me what Yama? Some of them take you. Our 1 year. Time for I want to say. One cast away. Why would you know time? How can you protect your happiness? Time only time for Biao. Time for Bia, there's no enemy outside. The devil that you have is your own mind. How can you protect your happiness? One is to forgive. And also go away from every belief. If you want to say obi time, and now what time for you already. The only enemy you have outside is the one you have allowed. Or time for our ever upon TV, I dear wo what dear too. And now what penis away your time for that's your time. There you are, I can't come in, no one can say. Say, Ubedi Atum. No one yet to me said that time for a war, we are seeing anyone Casawaginia. I can't open your phone with you. Yes, you can. Was in a bit. I've given unto thee power and authority. So that power and authority in the set, he has given you the willpower. The kingdom of God is within you. You are the one to direct your path. You are the one to control your system. You are the one to control everything around you. So if you have enemy, that power that was given to you, what the man was said, how can you protect your happiness? Forgive and give love. And never ever think that you have any enemy.
Mojebi TV. Among for Momo Dia na Monko YouTube. Baby, I'm going to be a Mojebi TV. Say our SM. Say a movie. Say a year, a GP, say fan Kwalamu, and now a war to TAB. We have Modiana Mojebi TV. You hold on, and near my home. Let's subscribe.
Ingeya, yakwe Mojebi TV. Show ya, minunti. Yakwe Mojebi TV. Mojebi TV.
On YouTube we are called Mojebi TV, and on Facebook we are called GMB. Subscribe. Hi Loita.
Ingeya, yakwe Mojebi TV. Show ya, minunti. Yakwe Mojebi TV. Mojebi TV. Nyama wo, mo shepa.
Bibia opebia ebi wo ho. Facebook, YouTube, Bibia. Kana ge Mojebi TV.
Yo yeti efu ase mu hunkwala no kwala nketo akura mu se Mojebi TV bibia wo pebia wo de gu ho peche eti mesem se obia nkore Mojebi TV yeda masepa.